Want big adventure on a modest budget? Let's go! You don't need to break the bank to explore the amazing sights of the United States. Let's talk about some incredible, wallet-friendly destinations. First up, consider a road trip through the national parks in Utah. The scenery is absolutely breathtaking. Camping or staying in budget motels can save you a ton. Next, think about visiting New Orleans. The food, music, and culture are rich and vibrant. And you can find great last-minute deals on flights and hotels, especially during the off-season. Even a city like New York can be done on a budget. Stay just outside Manhattan, eat at amazing food trucks, and enjoy free attractions like Central Park and the Staten Island Ferry. Pro tip: always travel during the shoulder season, just before or after peak times. You'll get better prices and fewer crowds. Ready to start planning your dream US trip? Sign up with DC Travel Service today for our exclusive deals. Let's make it happen.